leave it to the guys at Coast to come up with some great innovations in both the knife category and the flashlight category. Well, this time they've kind of put them together and added some other tools, and well, just check this out, it's pretty cool.
Well, the three coolest things are, in no particular order, we have a spring-loaded pliers head. So unlike other traditional multi-tools, you don't have to separate the handles on your own. As soon as you open it, it springs open. It makes it much easier to use a completely one-handed operation. The second thing that's really interesting about our multi-tool is that you can access all of the components from the outside, including our main blade, as well as the other smaller implements. But probably the coolest thing, and which really separates this from any other multi-tool on the market, is that we have an LED light built into the handle. So we put light right where you need it the most, right on the main cutting blade, as well as then you can close the blade, open the pliers head, hit the power button again, and it puts LED light right on the pliers head. So if you're underneath the sink, if you're underneath the hood of a car, it puts LED light right where you need it most, right on your working area. Popular Mechanics awarded us their Editor's Choice Award here at the National Hardware Show for our LED Pro pocket pliers.
Don't forget to check out the other cool gizmos, gadgets, and tools that we found at the 2012 Hardware Show right here at the Las Vegas Convention Center.